Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the public GPTs feature inside the ChatGPT app to supercharge your productivity and creativity. Step 1. Open public GPTs section. Start by launching your ChatGPT app. At the top you will see a section called Search Public GPTs. Here you will find options like topics, featured, and trading. These help you discover powerful AI tools built for specific tasks. Step 2. Explore future GPTs. Scroll down to the featured tab. You will see popular GPTs like Video AI by InVideo for video creation, Expedia for travel planning, and Canva for designing presentation and social media posts. Each has a quick summary underneath its name. Step 3. Select and use a GPT. Tap on any GPT that fits your need. For example, select Video AI by InVideo if you want to generate video scripts. Once inside, just type your prompt or question in the chat box as you normal. Do these specialized AI will help you instantly. Step 4. Try trading tools. Check the trading section for the most popular GPTs in the community. These are great for research, health, fitness, or academic work. Click on any trading GPT and let it guide you through your tasks. Step 4. Search for more options. If you are looking for a specific use case, use the Search Public GPTs bar at the top and enter keyword like designing, research, or fitness. Pick a GPT from the search result and start using it. With these steps, you can explore and use ChatGPT's public GPTs to get expert help you almost any work, from storytelling and video making to planning trip and designing graphics. Try them out and see how much easier your workflow become. Use the template for YouTube video and customize the example based on the tools your audience might love most.